I'm Rob Huffman. I'm the director of Collaborative. When people ask me what makes Robert Day such a neat project, there's a multitude of things. So I'll start with the simplistic thing. We start with the 2500 UT chassis, and then we stretched it to meet the wind load requirements of the project. But the project is also in a seismic zone, so it has a lot of movements that it has to take. And so in order to make those movements happen, we had to do something a little bit more unique. What we did is we dead loaded the unit in the middle and wind loaded it at the corners. On top of that, we also decided that we aren't just going to hold glass, we're going to hold GFRC. So that's why when you look at the building, you see all the components are actually Kawneer system. Then to make it even more exciting, because the building's cantilever, because of that unique geometry that you see, what winds up happening is as you put units onto the structure, as the steel came out, it was cambered. And then as loads are put on it, that camber starts to come out. Well, in order to get everything done properly, that steel had to be counterbalanced as units went on so that it would stay aligned as everything gets done. So as you put more units on, a little more weight comes off. You build it across. Very, very neat project. One of the things that also makes Robert Day so striking is the offset floor plans. As you go from one floor to the next, the floor plans are slightly rotated to create this offset appearance. And with these long cantilevered steel beams, well, that creates a really striking image. The collaborative team was called on for this project because they have a high level of engagement. To get that whole team together at a very frequent cadence to work through all these details, I think that's what really made collaborative the right fit. I can't stress enough the real strong importance of those early design meetings and finding your partner team that can help guide through those questions.